Hey guys, I'm Shauna,
And I'm Chanel.
and this is Vegans Approve. Welcome back to our channel.
So today we are trying 4 different plant-based eggs.
Yes, we have the Just Egg, Tofu, Simply Egg, and the chickpea or garbanzo bean flour. So we'll be cooking up all of these options, tasting, and tell you guys which one we think is better.
You ready?
Make your food your medicine, not your medicine your food. A little something you could learn from Vegans Approve. You a vegan or you looking for some options that's new? Don't worry, cause I got you, this the right channel for you. Cause it's Vegans Approve, yeah, it's Vegans Approve. You want something to eat, but you don't know what to choose. Go to Vegans Approve, search up Vegans Approve. Head over to the channel, cause I got some good news. Check out Vegans Approve, look up Vegans Approve. You need some advice, they could tell you what to do. Let the Vegans Approve, both the Vegans Approve. They got some healthy tips that you might want to use.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the chickpea / garbanzo beans.
Tablespoon of my seasoning blend, some turmeric for color, this salt, let's eat. It's very cakey.
Weird. It has like a weird texture.
It has a cakey texture. I'm not sure if maybe the proportions, flour to vegetable stock would make a difference. But in terms of taste, it's very flavorful to me, but it's just not egg-like.
It doesn't taste like an egg.
It doesn't
Give egg.
compare to a scrambled egg, but it's something that you could eat.
Yeah.
And I think like adding like stuff to
Bread,
it, like
ketchup.
tomatoes, spinach,
mayonnaise.
stuff like that, it would be fine to eat, but it's just not egg-like.
Yeah. It tastes like chickpeas.
It tastes like chickpeas.
You can taste the chickpeas.
It has a nice flavor to me.
Too.
Just not egg-like.
It's not bad though.
I'd eat it. It's a good breakfast option. Next, we're gonna try the Simply Eggless.
I'm scared to try this one because it kind of smells like fish.
Fish?
Yeah, smell it.
Does it taste like fish?
A little bit.
I'm not getting the fish, but it has a weird, strong taste.
It's like its own flavor, but it's hard to describe what the flavor is.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very strong.
I'm not sure if this is something that I would buy again to eat, whether egg replacer or not. I just think it's not tasty. And I try to use the same seasonings for everything, so it kind of be on the same level in terms of the taste. and the flavor.
You can even like taste the seasonings you use because like the flavor of it is just so strong that all you can taste is whatever flavor it is. I can't like describe the flavor.
It's giving me rotten egg in the aftertaste. That's the only similarity it has to egg for me.
It's like fish.
Okay.
Alright, next we can try the tofu scramble. Oh, it looks like eggs.
The tofu on its own
Doesn't have a lot of flavor.
doesn't have a lot of flavor, so
It's not bad though.
you adding your seasonings to it is what's important when it comes to this, but the texture is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It does have that egg texture, and I think dressing it up with, spinach, cheese, vegan cheese, tomatoes, stuff like that, it would be really good.
It's not
But
bad.
it's good.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's a good replacer.
I don't normally like tofu, but this is good.
So, lastly, we have the just egg.
This is what we normally eat.
Yes, we use this at home a lot, so we kind of know what it tastes like because this is what we buy. That's an egg replacer. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
The taste is not overpowering.
That's not.
It has that egg flavor. It pairs with the seasonings well,
Mm-hmm.
and the texture is
Good.
spot on.
Yeah.
So, the just egg
Is your winner?
is the best egg replacer
That we
for
have tried.
vegans. So just egg for me first,
Then tofu.
tofu,
Then
the
this,
garbanzo bean,
and
and
then
last the simply egg. So,
But overall, these two are the best.
cheers.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications.
Bye.